What's up, tech family? In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a new branch. First things first, I'm going to need you to open up your terminal, and then I want you to type in git branch. This will show you the branches, and so far I only have one, which is main, and it's green because it's showing me which one I'm currently using. And then you see it right here where it says main, and it's the main one that I have. Now what I'm going to do is try to create a new branch. So in order to do that, there's multiple ways. I'm going to show you first through the terminal, which is git branch -c, which is create, and then you're going to name it. I'm going to name this one lowercase, just happy. So what we're going to do again is we're going to type in git branch to see if it's there. And bam, now you see happy is in the branch. So now we have two branches now, main and happy. And so far we're still in the main branch. But in order to get to the happy branch, we're going to do git checkout. And then we're going to do happy. So now if you do git branch again, you're going to see happy is the main branch now that I'm using, and you're going to see it right here as well, just to help you. Now, if you want to see another way to do this, what you can do is go to view and then do command palette and then type in branch, and then it'll show you create a new branch, and then from there you type in whatever you want from there. And so this one I'm gonna type in sad and then enter, and now I have 3 branches now, but I'm gonna do git branch, and it's showing now the sad branch, but it's showing that it's our current branch now. So now we have happy, main, and sad, and the main one that we're using now is sad. And I'm gonna clear it so you can see it, and then bam, now you have happy, main, and sad. Like I said, in order to go through and move around to get to whatever branch you want to use, just git checkout, bam. And now I'm using happy. Furthermore, I just wanted to show you all multiple ways in which you can create a branch. And I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I have more in this series with regards to GitHub, so stay on the lookout for that. I thank you all for watching. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.